Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit videos for Facebook. So here I'm using CapCut and I'm using Instagram post size, the square one like this. Now you can just click on overlay and then add the videos, the first video. In this case, I'm going to use this one. Okay, you can put the video here on the left side like this. So this is the first video, and now you can add another overlay. In here I'm going to use this tutorial video and add it as another overlay in here. I'm going to put on the right side, and then I'm going to click on the add overlay again and use this mobile frame for the tutorial video, and I'm going to put it in here to match with the tutorial video. You can just adjust it. Don't forget to adjust the duration like this, and you can use masking to fit the frame, the mobile frame. I'm going to use the rectangle one, then adjust the size. Don't forget to adjust the age. Click on a check icon, and so this will be the result. Now you can also add tags. You can add any text that you want. For example, I'm going to just write how to edit videos for Facebook. Okay, you can adjust the style to how you like it. I'm going to add a background in here to the text with, for example, the red color, the background. Click on a check icon. You can adjust the size. I'm going to put it on top, and you can see this is the result. You can adjust the duration of the text, and that's it. So this is how you can edit videos for Facebook. You can actually add any other elements if you want to, like animations or maybe sound effects or others that you want. And this is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.